Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to fix Logitech G435 Bluetooth pairing not working. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly fix your Logitech G435 here? Now, there are going to be a few things that you may want to do here. So the first thing that you want to do is you may want to check for any software updates. Now, you may want to visit Logitech support site and search for G435 headset and just download the firmware update tool for the from the support page here. Now, you may want to connect your PC using your USB or your headset to your PC using your USB-C cable or a USB-A dongle. Now, you want to go and return to the update tool and follow the instructions to install any available updates. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to check your actual headset. Now, there are different modes that you could access here on your Logitech G435. Now, you want to go and turn on your headset here. In this case, you want to enter Bluetooth pairing mode by holding the power button and mute button together for about 3 seconds. Now, the LED above the power button should blink rapidly in blue, so indicating it's ready to pair. So just make sure it's in Bluetooth mode here so that you can pair this or actually pair this to your PC if you have like a Bluetooth device that you could use. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to unpair and repair your headset. Now, sometimes repairing your headset here can solve a lot of issues, especially if there are any glitches with the connection. Now, what you need to do is you want to go to your Bluetooth settings and you want to go ahead and forget G435. Now, you want to turn off the headset and just wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and put it into pairing mode again. Just press the power and mute button for about 3 seconds, and then reconnect your headset in your device Bluetooth settings and see if that works. Now, if none of this actually worked, you may want to reset your headset. So, how do you do this? So, first things first, you want to turn off your headset here, and you want to go and hold the power button and mute button together for about 3 seconds to reset it. So yeah, so once you reset this, try pairing again and see if that helps. Now, if none of this actually worked, the final and last thing that you may want to try doing here is you may want to contact Logitech support. Now, sometimes they could give you additional steps or things that you could try here to solve this issue, but typically speaking, if you just bought this specific headset here, you may be eligible for a replacement, or even they could give you a refund depending on when you bought your headset here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.